Bagong ligo na, papatuyo na siya, oh. Sarap maligo. Sarap maligo. Presko ka na naman. Presko na naman yan. Ha? Presko na naman. O, saan ka punta? O, kain ka na lang, kain. Kain na ikaw, kain. Kain ikaw din, kain.
Because of a shared history, a shared identity, shared language, shared culture. And it's this sense of community that we don't get back in America. They welcome everyone. As a non-Filipino, you feel it and you fall in love with it. And it's really, really addicting. And I think that's why the Philippines see so many foreigners come here and they just say, I love the Philippines.
Kain ka na, kain na.
Because it really is
Dagput.
makes this place unique and special amongst all the nations of the world. My love for the Filipino people is just, there's so much in my heart that the Philippines occupies. It was the first country I ever visited on my own.
Mamaya, lilinisin natin yung tenga mo.
It accepts
Oh,
you.
linisin natin yung tenga mamaya, no?
Capitalist felt
Lilinisin natin yung tenga.
within.
Ha?
You feel at home.
Mamaya, ako naman ang maligo. Linisin mo yung tenga natin.
Western country.